9 must-eat foods for stunning teeth and gums. Hello and welcome. Have you ever considered how much your diet impacts your teeth and gums? It's not just about avoiding sugary treats and carbonated drinks. What you eat can actively strengthen your teeth, protect your gums, and even prevent common dental issues like cavities and gum disease. In today's video, we'll dive into 7 powerful foods that naturally promote oral health. These everyday ingredients are not only delicious and easy to find, but also packed with essential nutrients that support strong teeth and healthy gums. Stay with us as we explore how simple changes to your diet can lead to a brighter, healthier smile for life. Get ready to discover the secret to long-lasting dental health one bite at a time. 1. Apples, nature's toothbrush. More than just a refreshing snack, apples are a natural powerhouse for dental health. Known as nature's toothbrush, their firm, fibrous texture helps scrub your teeth as you chew, removing food particles and plaque. This natural cleaning action stimulates saliva production, which is essential for neutralizing acids and maintaining a healthy pH balance in your mouth. Apples are rich in vitamin C, which supports gum health by boosting collagen production and strengthening connective tissues. Their high water content helps keep you hydrated and aids in saliva production, further protecting your teeth from decay. Additionally, apples' antioxidants fight inflammation and promote overall well-being. So, next time you reach for a snack, grab an apple. It's a delicious way to support your smile and oral hygiene while benefiting your overall health. Remember, an apple a day might just keep the dentist away. 2. Carrots, natural teeth cleaners. Crunchy, nutritious, and packed with benefits, carrots are a powerhouse for oral health. Their firm texture acts as a natural toothbrush, scrubbing away plaque and food particles while stimulating the gums. Chewing carrots increases saliva production, which helps neutralize harmful acids and protect against cavities. Rich in vitamin A, they strengthen tooth enamel and support the health of mucous membranes in the mouth. Carrots are also loaded with fiber, aiding digestion and promoting overall well-being. Whether eaten raw as a snack, grated into salads, or cooked in soups and stir-fries, carrots are a delicious and easy way to maintain strong teeth and healthy gums. Make them a regular part of your diet for a naturally brighter smile. 3. Celery, the natural toothbrush alternative. Often overlooked, celery is a powerful ally for oral health. Its crunchy texture naturally cleans teeth by scrubbing away food particles and bacteria while stimulating the gums. As you chew, celery breaks into fibrous strands that act like a natural toothbrush, helping to remove plaque and freshen breath. It also boosts saliva production, which plays a crucial role in neutralizing acids and preventing cavities. Rich in vitamins A and C, celery strengthens gum tissue and supports overall oral hygiene. Low in calories and high in water content, it also aids in hydration and digestion. Enjoy celery as a refreshing snack, pair it with a healthy dip, or add it to soups and stir-fries for a simple way to enhance your dental and overall health. 4. Spinach, a calcium powerhouse, packed with essential nutrients. Spinach is a true superfood for your teeth and gums. Rich in calcium, it strengthens tooth enamel, providing protection against decay and sensitivity. This leafy green also contains folic acid, a B vitamin that helps promote healthy gums and reduces the risk of gum disease. The high fiber content in spinach encourages chewing, which stimulates saliva production, your mouth's natural defense against bacteria and acid. Additionally, spinach is packed with antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene, which help support immunity and overall health. Whether you enjoy it raw in salads, blended into smoothies, or cooked in soups and stir-fries, incorporating spinach into your diet is an easy and delicious way to maintain a healthy, strong smile. 5. Almonds, a nutrient-dense snack for strong teeth. Almonds are a nutrient-dense snack that provides excellent benefits for your teeth and gums. Rich in calcium, they help strengthen tooth enamel and protect against decay. The protein in almonds supports the repair of gum tissues, promoting overall gum health while reducing inflammation. Unlike sugary snacks that contribute to cavities, almonds are low in sugar, making them a tooth-friendly choice. Chewing almonds stimulates saliva production, which helps cleanse the mouth, neutralize acids, and prevent plaque buildup. In addition to their oral health benefits, almonds are packed with healthy fats, antioxidants, and vitamins, including vitamin E, which protects cells from oxidative stress. Whether enjoyed raw, roasted, or as almond butter, incorporating almonds into your diet provides a delicious, nutritious way to support strong, healthy teeth and gums for years to come. 6. Oranges, a vitamin C powerhouse for healthy gums. Packed with vitamin C, oranges are a powerful ally for maintaining healthy gums. This essential nutrient strengthens the connective tissues in your gums, helping to prevent inflammation and gum disease. Vitamin C also promotes collagen production, which is vital for the overall structure and integrity of your gums. Oranges are also naturally acidic, but once metabolized by the body, they help balance the pH levels in your mouth, reducing the risk of tooth decay. The juicy nature of oranges stimulates saliva production, which rinses away food particles and harmful bacteria. Rich in antioxidants, fiber, and potassium, oranges support not only oral health but also boost your immune system and improve digestion. Whether enjoyed as a fresh snack, juiced, or added to salads, incorporating oranges into your daily diet is a refreshing way to promote stronger gums and a brighter smile. 7. Strawberries, a natural teeth whiter. These delicious red berries are a natural way to enhance your smile. Containing malic acid, they work as a gentle whiter by removing surface stains and brightening teeth. Packed with vitamin C, they support gum health by promoting collagen production, which is essential for strong, healthy gums. The antioxidants in these fruits help reduce inflammation and protect against oxidative stress, benefiting both oral and overall health. Their high water content also stimulates saliva production, helping to rinse away food particles and neutralize harmful acids that can lead to cavities. Whether enjoyed fresh, blended into smoothies, or added to desserts, these berries offer a tasty and effective way to naturally whiten teeth and maintain healthy gums. 8. Kiwis, a citrus delight for strong teeth. Packed with vitamin C, kiwis are an excellent fruit for promoting healthy gums and strong teeth. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, a protein that helps maintain the integrity of gum tissues. It also helps prevent gum disease, bleeding gums, and inflammation. Kiwis are rich in antioxidants like flavonoids, which protect your mouth from harmful free radicals that can damage teeth and gums. Additionally, the high water content in kiwis helps keep your mouth hydrated, promoting healthy saliva production. Saliva naturally neutralizes acids, reduces bacteria, and helps wash away food particles, making it a key defender against cavities and plaque buildup. Their tangy, sweet flavor makes kiwis a delightful treat that's as beneficial for your health as it is for your taste buds. Eating them fresh, tossing them in smoothies, or mixing them into salads are just a few ways to enjoy this nutrient-packed fruit. Incorporating kiwis into your diet can be a simple and effective way to support your overall oral health and keep your smile bright and beautiful. 9. Yogurt, a calcium-rich superfood for teeth. Packed with calcium and probiotics, yogurt is a powerful food for maintaining strong teeth and healthy gums. The calcium in yogurt helps strengthen tooth enamel, providing protection against cavities and decay. Probiotics, the beneficial bacteria found in yogurt, promote oral health by reducing harmful bacteria in the mouth that can lead to gum disease and bad breath. The active cultures in yogurt also help balance the oral microbiome, contributing to better overall oral hygiene. Additionally, yogurt's creamy texture can help neutralize acids in the mouth, reducing the risk of enamel erosion. Whether enjoyed on its own, mixed with fruits, or added to smoothies, yogurt is a delicious and nutritious way to support your dental health. Including this calcium-rich superfood in your diet is a simple yet effective step towards keeping your teeth strong and your gums healthy for years to come. Incorporating these 7 nutrient-packed foods into your daily diet can significantly enhance your dental health. Apples, carrots, celery, spinach, almonds, oranges, and strawberries offer a range of benefits from strengthening tooth enamel to reducing inflammation and promoting gum health. These foods are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that not only support a bright, healthy smile but also improve your overall well-being. Remember, a balanced diet, combined with good oral hygiene and regular dental checkups, is the key to lasting dental health. Make these foods a part of your routine and enjoy a healthier, more radiant smile for years to come. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable tips on maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Your support truly helps us bring more content to you. Remember, taking care of your health goes beyond just looking good. It's about feeling your best, boosting your energy, and living a longer, more vibrant life. So, let's prioritize our well-being and make healthier choices every day. Start small, stay consistent, and always be kind to yourself. Thank you for watching, and we hope you continue on your journey to better health. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep smiling. See you in the next video.